CW question. I'm your host, Vince VE6LK, and today with me is my very special guest, Drew Demarco, November 2 Alpha Kilo Juliet. Now, Drew is an associate instructor with the Long Island CW Club. His focus is on helping people send better. He's been a ham for 27 years. He's been doing CW pretty well full-time for the last year and a half. He has 5,000 contacts created in the POTA system alone. And he's a keyaholic. He has 16 keys and he's saving for his 17th. He's my kind of guy. Drew, what's your one best tip for a new CW learner, please?
Okay, my best CW tip would be don't send faster than you could receive. You only want to send at the speed you feel comfortable with. There's no sense in sending fast and having the other operator come back to you and you have to question mark them because you don't understand what they're saying. Or if you are calling CQ and you're throwing out your call sign at, let's say, 15 words per minute and a station comes back at 23, don't be afraid. Say, please QRS. Tell them to slow down. Give them the speed that you want them to slow down to. And another thing is you got to relax. You want to be relaxed. Don't be tense. You don't want to have the sweat pouring off the forehead. CW is supposed to be fun. If you're not having fun, you shouldn't be doing it.
All right, Drew. Well, hey, thanks very much. Those are excellent tips. 73.
73.